This is just to give you a rough idea of the width of my palm. Here is the Utica, USA Muddy Girl everyday carry. Everyday carry there, everyday carry there. I think they're jumping on the everyday carry wagon. Muddy Girl XB camo, lightweight handle, lockback, high carbon stainless, but it doesn't tell you the steel. High carbon steel, hardness 52 to 54 on the, that is on the softer end. Four-inch handle, 2.9-inch blade. Got this at Tractor Supply for $9.99, $10. And there's the model number there. And there's the knife. Nice looking knife, slim profile. It reminds me a lot of the Bantam series, the Buck Bantam series. No clip, lanyard hole. It's got a nail nick to open. And it's got a nice downward angle. Slight recurve on the blade. I do like this blade profile. The model number there on the blade, though, is missing the 91, so whatever that means. No blade play, up and down, side to side. One thing that's different from the Bantam series over the Buck Bantam series is that you can adjust the pivot on these. On the Buck Bantams, you cannot. They are pinned. So you got screws. I never disassemble my knives anyway, so yep. I don't know if those numbers are right because the blade and the handle, as far as the length, I don't see an inch difference. Yeah, I don't see an inch difference between the blade length and the handle. I don't know. Really not a big deal. But $10. It's a solid knife for $10. Now, I haven't used it yet, so it will go into the queue for my daily box or daily knife cutting activities, and I'll get a better feel for it. But already it feels solid. This is the only color they had, and it was in one of those bins. Tractor Supply, where I'm at, they have a case that carries knives that you have to unlock, but then they also have bins that once a month they'll have different types of things in there, and this is one of the things that was in there. So, solid knife purchase. I don't know the official name of it, so we're just going to say it's the Utica, USA Muddy Girl Lockback. No jimping. Relatively light. I think most of the weight. Yeah, you know, one day I'll use my scale. So this Utica Muddy Girl must be an old model, because when I tried to look it up on the website, it does not exist. So I wonder if that 91 has anything to do with it. Like maybe it came out in 91. I was looking at their website, and they seem to have a lot of they seem to have a lot of pretty cool looking knives, and they're not all cheap. So